This discussion is about Amina Salim. She has done M-Pharma, pharmaceutics chemistry, and she wanted to pursue her dream PhD from the US. And recently she got selected at University of Kansas with full scholarship. And that covers complete tuition waiver and receives monthly stipend along with medical insurance. बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट हैं जो एम फार्मा करते हैं और देन स्टार्ट वर्किंग इन इंडस्ट्री और सम काइंड ऑफ जॉब. फार्मेसी ऐसी फील्ड है यूएस में, हाईली पेइंग potential job opportunity they have once you have a PhD from the US. And मैंने देखा यहाँ पे कई स्टूडेंट कहते हैं सर just getting paid with like 30,000, 40,000 or 50,000 a month. I encourage स्टूडेंट्स जिन्होंने फार्मा किया है, मास्टर्स फार्मा किया है, स्टार्ट एक्सप्लोरिंग PhD प्रोग्राम इन द US, जो कि इतना अच्छा अपॉर्चुनिटी और प्लेटफॉर्म देता है कि PhD खत्म करने से पहले ही आपके पास में बहुत सारे जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज होते हैं. सो आई थिंक गेट द इंस्पिरेशन फ्रॉम अमीना सलीम. छोटी जगह से आती हैं और कैसे उन्होंने हमारे साथ जुड़ के मेंटरशिप लेके हमारा गाइडेंस के थ्रू शी गॉट selected. There will be other videos as well, and please go through. I hope you are going to enjoy this discussion between a mentor and a mentee. Those in between there is some interruption in the internet and networking, but still I believe that it's gonna be very motivating, insightfulness, and giving a lot of inspiration and information for number of aspirants in this field. I hope you guys enjoy it. Good luck. Amina, many congratulations to you for your wonderful selection at Kansas University in pharmaceutics for a PhD program with full scholarship.
Yes. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
So why don't you introduce yourself about your education, your research experience so far?
My name is Amina Salim. I am from Kottayam, Kerala, and I completed my post-graduation in M.Pharm, pharmaceutical chemistry, and I have a research experience while I am doing my M.Pharm. I done my project at CSIR NIST Trivandrum, and after that project, I wish to pursue my PhD in medicinal chemistry itself. So that when I was on the search for about the universities and all, I found through Google and YouTube, I found Parma's YouTube channel, and then I contacted you, and my further procedures are under your guidance, and now I got admission in a well-reputed university at US for PhD in medicinal chemistry.
Very nice. And what was your percentage in BSc, I mean, Bachelor's in Pharmaceutics and M-Pharma program?
In Bachelor of Pharmacy, I got 67% only, and but in M-Pharmacy, I got 75%, and
Very
with
nice.
the first class with.
And what was the name of your undergraduate and master's colleges?
Undergraduate, I done my B.Pharm at CPAS DPS, Department of Pharmaceutical Science, Cheruvandur, Kottayam district, and I done my M.Pharm in National College of Pharmacy, Kozhikode, and done my project at CSIR Institute, Trivandrum.
And what was your project? Can you explain us in few lines?
Yeah, of course. My project was on the semisynthetic modification of a triterpene known as diarginine, and it is modified to form an alkaloid, then evaluated its biological activity and found to be anti-cancer.
Okay. And when you decided that you want to do PhD from the US?
US. Actually, I during my UG as well as PG, I didn't have a plan to do PhD. But after my M Pharmacy project, it was done in a research institute I got chance to interact with so many PhD students as well as scientists there. So in that lab, my guide was Dr. Ravi Shankar. He was done his PhD at US, so that he already give a class about to do PhD there, and he motivated us very much. But and then also I didn't have any strong plan. Then I after my PG, I searched for the opportunities in US. Then I found this channel, and after that, I am little bit confident that I will get a. Maybe I get a chance to do PhD there.
So mentorship is online. How did you trust our mentorship program? We never made.
Actually, first of all, I also have the doubt that by paying the fees, if I didn't get an admission, it will be a loss and all. Then I found that you send me so many videos that students you guided the students from India and all. I found one of them is from Kerala. Her name is Ansa.
Yeah.
Ansa is the one who make me confident on this channel. Actually, Ansa told me that they will support you in every step and all. She is the one who give the back support, and then after that I started the procedure. He inquire me after some days you started the procedure, and also Ansa said that Ansa contacted you at the last moment, but you can start it as early as possible so that you can make decisions properly.
Very nice. I agree with you. Yeah, sometimes it is not easy to trust, this online mentorship platform. I agree with that.
Yes.
So after finishing your pharma, what you have been doing?
Now I am working as assistant professor at Prime College of Pharmacy, Palakkad. Here I am dealing. Here I am dealing with teaching medicinal chemistry, organic chemistry as well as inorganic chemistry there, dealing theory classes as well as laboratory classes also. And in between this, I'm preparing for my PhD.
Nice, very nice. Now, do they know your colleagues know that you have been selected at Kansas University for your PhD with full scholarship?
Sorry, sir, I can't clear.
Now your colleagues in the university, do they know about it now?
No, sir. No, no one knows about my preparation to PhD because I just joined the college, so that after the decision is confirmed, that then only I will share with them. They know that I am interested in PhD, but they didn't know I got the admission.
Admission, so you haven't shared with anyone else. Yes, that is a good move. When you have all the results come, then we're going to help you with the picking the best possible university. Probably you and your friend will go together and explore US PhD program. So tell me, which examination did you prepare for the application process?
I prepared for IELTS. I actually in the beginning I thought that I can prepare myself, but after that when I'm trying to prepare, I can't able to know the pattern and all, so that we joined for me also with my friends. We joined for a coaching for 1 month, and after that it was very useful for us because without knowing anything we can't able to prepare for IELTS. So it's just reading, writing and hearing, but it's not like it's not a simple thing. It have some patterns and all. After the coaching we know that we understand that, and after 1 month we appeared for the exam and got 7 band IELTS score.
Yes, your score was pretty good. Okay. Yes. So now we started application process. Okay. And then please talk about the application package, like shortlisting universities and CV and SOP, a personal statement, or sometimes letter of recommendation. Please talk about those, our mentorship.
Oh, okay. After the IELTS is the first step in the process. First step in the process. After getting the after qualifying IELTS, I informed you. Then you give you and your team prepared a short short list of 12 universities which I can able to apply.
Yes.
Then you said me to choose wherever I want to apply. Then I go through the websites and all scientists and all, and I go through their works and all. Then I shortlisted 10 universities, and according to the deadline of the submission, we arranged it and started application. Then you and then I applied and then I filled the general basic details and all. And when I after I giving the interested supervisors there, you prepared particular SOPs for each universities for me and for my friends also. And each time for each universities you prepared SOPs, and also you give me a proper CV for us.
Research
And
CV template.
in before that, at the beginning itself, you asked me to prepare. You give me a draft and to fill the CV draft, and also a questionnaire which asking all my details about my studies, my background and all.
Yes. Yes,
By
Amina.
reading these all, you
The questionnaire is very important. It's like getting all your biography, so we will know you
yes,
at our
yes,
best.
yes, sir.
Yes.
By using these all, you and your team prepare a well defined CV as well as SOP for us for each universities. And after applying and these and also in between that, there are some requirement of some recommendation letters and all. They are provided by my guide and my professors. And after that, each university have their own fees and all. We paid that also, and we completed the application.
Yes.
And they in the application page itself, they informed that if the application is denied or accepted, both we will get a mail.
Yes.
Then now we are waiting for the.
Okay, good, very good, Amina. So tell me, how many applications did you put, and how many results are out so far, and what selection you have received?
Sir, okay, sir. I applied for 10 universities, and one of the university already informed me that they rejected my application. It is Wisconsin Madison.
Very competitive.
And
Yes.
after that, I got mail from. After that, I got mail from Kansas. Kansas
Okay.
mail was a schedule for interview, and the interview was conducted on February 7th. And on February 22nd, they informed me that they selected me, and they give an offer letter which includes all the stipend and tuition fee, all the working hours, all the details in it.
Yes. So do you
Then
remember the
after that,
questions?
yesterday, sir, I got.
Do you remember the
uh,
questions they asked in the interview process?
during the interview. Yes, of course. First of all, the interview was scheduled by the director of graduate studies, Dr. Mark Farrell. He was the one introducing themselves to us. He with the other faculties or supervisors in the department which I am applied for. That is, I have 2 or 3 medicinal chemistry supervisors with Mark Farrell, sir, Professor Mark Farrell. Then first of all, they asked me about my background, my educational background, and all, along with my research interests. they asked me to explain it elaborately. Then I explained my BPharm and MPharm studies and my research experience, research interest, and all. Then after that, one of them asked me that which are the name any three supervisors which I am interested in. So that I explained three supervisors with one of their paper which that the work that I thought that work make me thought that their research will align with my interest. So that first of all, I explained about the work of Sarko Boskovic. Then after my answer, Sarko Boskovic uh, itself asked a question to me that explain about my project that I done a semi-synthetic modification. So that he asked me to explain it elaborately. What was the semi-synthetic modification you done? I explained it. Then the interview was over. They told me that thank you for your patience because they actually scheduled the interview at 9:45, but the interview was started after 10 o'clock. So that they thanked me for my patience, and I also thank them for giving me the opportunity.
Yes, I remember. How do you feel, Amina, once you wake up in the morning and you have this Kansas University medicinal chemistry program offer letter with you? How did you feel?
I'm very I'm very happy, sir, because I didn't I can't able to believe it with my eyes because I didn't thought that I can able to do it, and I am I have the capability to get an admission for PhD in US universities. Uh, I thought it's a tall order for me, but it was didn't have so much words to express
Yes,
my feelings. I'm
I
so
understand.
happy, sir.
I completely understand.
Mm.
Again, many congratulations. This will give you ample of opportunity in the
Thank you,
US
sir.
to excel in the research and make a very good career, highly paid job, I would say, just before you complete your PhD program.
Yes.
I have your offer letter in front of me.
Oh,
So tell me about your scholarship.
scholarship. I
Do you
actually
remember?
uh, I remember 27,000 something,
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
I
I
don't
mean, it's
remember clearly.
$27,300 per year. And that will cover
Area.
also the tuition waiver as well as your medical insurance. And you have time till April
Yes, sir.
15 to decide to accept or
Mm.
decline the offer, right? Many
Declined.
congratulations. So how many results are still awaited?
Sir, yesterday I got one more mail from Virginia. It's also a rejection and denied my application.
Okay.
And now I am waiting for 7 more applications. I applied for 10 universities, one acceptance and 2 rejections. I got 2 rejection and 1 acceptance.
Okay. Now I think
Yes,
first you have the offer letter, so rejections won't matter much.
yes,
So I mean,
yes,
yes, that's the important part. If they're continuous not accepting, then
yes,
students start feeling nervous and say, well, I'm waiting and I'm waiting and I'm waiting.
yes,
Amina, let's talk about the expense.
yes.
Uh,
In case of my, uh,
Go ahead.
sorry, you go ahead, sir.
So yeah, let's talk about the expense.
Expense.
How much money so far have you spent till you have achieved this success?
Okay, sir. Actually, first of all, we paid for um, IELTS itself. IELTS, we application exam application fee is 16,500, and my um, your fees. Can I mention your fees?
Yeah, sure, no problem.
Okay, it's 1,18,000
Yes.
Indian rupees
Yes.
for your guidance, and then our application fee for about 10 universities. We totally have a expense of 60,000, etc. Because for each university it's $70, $80,
Yes,
like that.
yes.
So that in Indian money it's 7,000, 8,000, about
Yes.
7,000, 8,000 rupees.
Mm.
So that total will two 2.2
Two point something.
like 2 point something.
I think, which is, I think, not like it's reasonable on your career efforts, where plundering if
Yes, yes,
opportunities
of
will
course.
come. And now there will
Yes,
be some more expense that will be visa fee, I think 40, 50,000. Then you
yes.
book your flight ticket, then first month expense also. So maybe in total, 2 more lakh, I would say, Indian rupees will you require
Oh,
till you start getting
oh,
your own scholarship.
oh.
I also thank like your parents. I would say they have supported you towards this journey
Do-
where you can.
Yes, of course, they believed in me, and
Yes.
actually, I'm ashamed of asking money more because after my PG, now I am doing a job and all, but I have no more money. And in this step also, my mom helped me a
Mm.
lot.
Yes, I think your mama.
She believed in my words.
Yes, yes,
She want to be what I want. Yes, yes.
yes. I really appreciate your mother's efforts towards
I'm
you.
a single parent child. My
Oh, I see, I see. Yeah. So
yes,
I really
of
appreciate.
course, sir.
I will talk to her when we will finalize the university where you will
Yes,
be finalizing where you want to go. I really want to
yes,
talk to her
of course, sir.
and appreciate her
Yes,
efforts that you have raised your wonderful child Amina and now daughter, and now she is fulfilling not her dreams as well as others also in the neighborhood, in the family, then extended family,
yes,
and you will become a role model, an inspiration for a
yes, sir.
number of students in your community, in other places, and other, especially females in India. I would say that. Yes. Yes, thank you so much, Amina.
Thanks.
Any message? I have another question. You being a female, right? What challenges have you
Yes.
faced so far to come to the stage that today that you have a wonderful selection for your PhD program in the US?
Uh, Basically, I have a very supportive family, so that I didn't have so much struggles, but I observed so much struggles from in case of my friends and all, because
Mhm.
in case of them, they after degree, that is bachelor degree itself, they go for family marriage. After marriage they have no options rather than staying with them and all. And
Yeah.
also in case of our profession itself, all are going to a dispensing job itself.
Mhm.
Dispensing for is basically for diploma, D pharmacy, who are completing B pharma and M pharma also go that. But they didn't want. I have the message that we are the ones show the common people that.
Yes, yes. Please continue.
Okay, sir.
Please continue. Yeah.
Okay. Then my message
Yes.
was for the ones in this profession itself. They should search for other kind of jobs, and they should give the message to the common people that we are studying so many things, and we have the caliber, and we
Yes.
Please.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay. Yeah, I believe, Amina, in your field, there are so many opportunities in the US. And I believe completion of M Pharma in India, student, I mean, they go for job in industry, they're highly underpaid. Okay. So I've seen
Yes.
people doing pharmaceutics and medicinal chemistry PhD in the US. Their package is like $150,000 a year, which is 1 crore per year salary. Just so you know.
Okay. In industries, right?
Yes, in the industry, yes. So
Yes.
I feel
I can
like,
hear.
yeah. So once you graduate, when you graduate a PhD in the US, your job profile like $150,000 per year, which is like 1 crore, close to 1 crore per year salary. That what worth rewarding your field is. Just so you know, many of Indian students, they have done M Pharma, they don't know about this. Just so you know.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So I think the launching
Yes.
pad that you have is gonna
They
be very.
they thought that it's very hard to get jobs in countries like US, UK and all. They are all going to UK for MS studies only.
Yeah.
They don't know the other opportunities
True.
there. They simply going there and took the MS and came back to India itself.
True. I agree. And I believe you are going to be, I mean, a role model for a number of students, believe me. And that's going to help a number of, especially female students. I mean, you're going to inspire them to follow their dreams. I believe it. Thank you so much, Amina.
I want to be like that. Thank you.
I will connect with you soon again. We'll talk about I-20 and visa processing and thereafter things.
Oh, okay.
Take care.
Thanks.
Bye-bye.